Yo, it's Dave. So, today I'm taking a look at TryHackMe's Simple CTF. I've already deployed my machine here. I've got my IP, so I am going to open up a terminal and go ahead and run an NMAP scan here. So we're going to go with T4. This means aggressive, so it's faster, a faster scan. SC here, this means script is set to default. SV, this enables version detection. PN, this assumes that the host is online. The ON here, this is for normal style results. I will go ahead and just write that into a file called results. And then we can put in our IP here that we got. And we'll go ahead and run it. Let me cancel that and go ahead and add some verbosity so we can see what's going on. Okay, so we've got 21 open. We've got 80 open, so that means it's serving a web page. So I'm going to go ahead and say there's 2 under 1,000. What is running on the higher port? So we have here, it's SSH. All right, so we need to do a little more digging here. There must be another directory off of this. Index is going to bring us back here. Try a couple. Nothing. Nope. All right, so I am going to break out a tool here. Okay, so from here, our default Apache page, we are going to run GOBUSTER here. I have some of this typed out. GOBUSTER in directory enumeration mode. We're going to put our URL, make sure we put the HTTP here. Okay, we'll put our whatever our box's IP is. Specify our word list. We could put the medium one. And then -t is the threads. We went ahead and put 100 threads. And we will just run this and see what we can get back. All right, there we go. We've got a hit on /simple. That would make sense because this is called Simple CTF. Okay, now we have a real page going here. Let's see what we've got. So this site is powered by CMS Made Simple version 2.2.8. So I am going to go ahead and Google this. And the first link is EXPLOITDB. Looks like an SQL injection. Okay, so unauthenticated SQL injection on anything. So this was patched in 2.2.9. So this should be vulnerable. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and view this raw. Copy. Simple CTF.py. Okay. Here we can answer the CVE question. This is the CVE we're going to be using. What kind of vulnerability is the application vulnerable to? So this is an unauthenticated SQL injection. So it's 4 letters. I'm assuming it's SQLI. Yes. Okay, so now we need to crack the password. I am going to hop into a terminal and run it without any flags. And it will tell me what I need to do. So I need to specify a URL. And I also need to do this here, flag crack with -w and a word list. Based on that syntax, we'll go with this, -u. Let's go back and copy our URL right here. And then we are going to move over to crack. Oops. And our word list. And we'll let that run. Okay, so we ran into a little bit of a problem here at the end. Okay, so I'm going to use HASHCAT here. So taking a look at the HASHCAT examples table here, since we know the salt, we know it's MD5, I believe we do it this way. So we're going to save our hash in this format. So I'm going to open up text editor, paste the password in, colon, paste the salt in, save this as our hash, hash CTF. HASHCAT, and then our mode is going to be 20, and then our hash is going to be hash CTF. And as returned, secret. Our password is secret. Now, where can you log in with the details obtained? So based on our NMAP scan originally, which is here, we saw this was open, the SSH. I believe what we need to do is make a connection here with the credentials that we just cracked. So I believe SSH. Let's hop back in here. All right, I'm going to go ahead and clear this terminal. And then I'm going to SSH Mitch at our IP address. and port 2222. I'm going to go ahead and type yes here. Password is secret. Okay, and we have access. Let's see. I'm Mitch. User.text. Oops, cat user.text. Good job, keep up. I'm going to copy and paste that here. Is there any other user in the home directory, and what's its name? So our directory now is Mitch. I'm going to go ahead and go to the directory above. Okay, Sunbath is the name. And what can you leverage to spawn a privileged shell? So, okay, so I am Mitch. I'm going to do sudo -l. Okay, so knowing that, I'm going to go ahead and head over to Google. So taking a look here at GTFO bins, we need privilege, so we're going to use sudo here. So I'm going to copy and paste this command into our terminal. And we have popped a shell. Let's see where we're at. Home. Who am I? Root. I am going to go to the root directory here. And we've got the flag. Well done, you made it. Let's go put this in. And that's it. We did it, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.